Hey Uke-East, this is a tutorial for our club night by Zoom on the 31st of August next week. I thought it'd be good to do something a bit more in depth. I hope you're all getting something out of the Zoom meetings. People keep showing up, so I guess you are, but it's quite superficial, even more than normal. We go through stuff once nowadays, and there's not really, the format doesn't lend itself to interacting with the song lead. So I thought it'd be nice just to take some time out, which I propose to do next Monday, on one song and go into some detail. And it requires a bit of homework on your part. So I'm going to send this tutorial video around with the song sheet marked up and get you to spend a bit of time, 15-20 minutes, to get the song down pat and get maybe a little bit more out of it than we have been for the typical format as of the last few months. So, okay, so the song's called If I Ain't Got You. The song sheet is going around, and there's a couple of links that you can watch to the original, Alicia Keys on piano, and there's a ukulele version that you can look at as well. The intro goes along these lines. I will update the sheet to show that it's B minor 7 and not B minor, which I've got. So the C major 7 that we're going to use at the start is just barring the 7th fret, so all the way down the neck on the 7th fret. Then the B minor is a G minor shape, but slid all the way down. So your index finger's on the 5th fret, the first string. Then you've got the your other fingers in the G minor shape on the 6th and 7th fret, like that. Okay, so it goes 0, 6, 7, 5 across from the top down in that notation. Then the A minor is just 2 frets up. You're just sliding it up. So your index finger's on the 3rd fret, and it goes 0, 4, 5, 3. C minor's the B minor's that, and the C major 7 is that. Then the G major 7, you should all know that, but it looks like that. 2nd fret, 0, 2, 2, 2 in notation. And the intro is just a gentle little pick. It goes 1, 2, 3. So like that. Little gallop on the 1, 2, 3. Like that. That's the first line, and the second line is just the G major 7, and then your standard A minor and B minor 7. B minor 7 is the 2nd fret barred, so goes like that, and then it goes back down to the 7th fret. So that's the full intro. So we'll try it from beginning to end. My hands are a bit cold. So. Okay. Actually, it's just on the end of the third line. So that's the intro. I reckon you can get that off pat pretty quick with a little bit of practice. It's just that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then just getting those chord shapes right and sliding them up, and then down when you're going back to do it again. So this song really needs a bit of space. It doesn't need an aggressive style. It's all about the vocal really, and there's a fair amount of latitude to do it the way you want. I'd say leave it sparse in terms of hitting the uke, and it kind of the format that we do, it does lend itself for everyone to do their own thing because nobody else can hear you. So that's quite good on this particular song, I'd say. I'll just play you how I've been doing it, and then you can decide for yourself what's going to work for you in terms of the syncopation and stuff like that. All right, so the first verse goes like this. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. So it's pretty sparse and plenty of space to do what you want. Then I would mix it up a little bit so it's not getting too repetitive. There's kind of that verse, then there's a bit of a pre-chorus, then chorus, and that's how it goes twice to make up the song. So this is the pre-chorus. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. And I've been there before, and that life's a bore, so full of the superficial. And then you go straight into the very short chorus, which is kind of ticks along at a fair little pace as well. You're kind of picking up the pace each stage. So let's do the last line of that pre-chorus and then the chorus. So full of the superficial, some people want it all, and I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. So I'll mark it on the sheet. The first line is that some people, 3 strokes, G major 7, A minor, B minor 7. Some people want it all, and I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah. Then it's just a repeat of the verse. Some people search for the fountain that promises forever young. Some people need 3 dozen roses, yeah. And that's the only way to prove you love them. And then straight into the pre-chorus. Hand me the world on a silver platter, and what good would it be? No one to share, and no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, and I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah. Then back to the intro as an outro. Slowing down, G major 7. Okay, so I think that's good enough guidance for you to work out your own version. I will mark up the sheet with a few things that came up as I was going through it, and yeah, have fun with it, and hopefully you can have it off pat by next Monday. Cheers then, see you then.